Dear students, in my opinion, up to standard 7, you have been a rotor of mathematics. It is a need to up to primary level as you need to be fluent in the basics. But I want you to understand the maths as well as to be able to perform it. Hence, I always suggest you to practice more. As you face different problems based on the same concept, it will not only help you to clear your concept but also build a sense of confidence in you. Today I am going to discuss some questions from exponents and radicals. First question is, evaluate 3 to the power minus 2. Second, minus 3 to the power minus 2. And third, 2 by 3 to the power minus 4. Now first question is question A. 3 to the power minus 2. This can be written as 1 by 3 to the power plus 2. You know the property a to the power minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power m, which I have already discussed in my previous class. And 1 by 3 square, 3 3 is 9, 1 by 9 is the answer. B number minus 3 to the power minus 2. This can be written as 1 by minus 3 whole to the power 2. And minus 3 into minus 3, minus plus 3 3 is 9. 1 by 9 is the answer. 2 by 3 whole to the power minus 4. When we take the reciprocal, the sign of the power change. This can be written as 3 by 2. 2 by 3 can be written as 3 by 2 whole to the power 4. And 3 to the power 4 is 3 3 is 9, 3 is 27, 3 is 81. And 2 to the power 4 means 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 2 is 16. This is the answer, 81 by 16. Second number, simplify and express the result in power notation with positive exponent. A number minus 3 to the power 5 divided by minus 3 to the power 4. And B number minus 3 to the power 4 divided by minus 3 to the power 5. Generally, we get confused by looking at the sign of the base and the power. Now here minus 3 to the power 5 divided by minus 3 to the power 4. While applying the law of exponent, there is no confusion in if the sign of the base is positive or negative. Now since there is the sign of division here, therefore bases are same. Minus 3 to the power 5 minus 4. And 5 minus 4 is 1, minus 3 to the power 1, and minus 3 to the power 1 means minus 3. Why? Minus 3 to the power 1 or minus 3 to the power 2 means minus 3 into minus 3. And minus 3 to the power 1 means minus 3 only one time. B number, minus 3 to the power 4 divided by minus 3 to the power 5. Again, we have the same base, minus 3 and 4 minus 5 can be written here. Because a to the power x divided by a to the power y means a to the power x minus y. Now minus 3, 4 minus 5 is minus 1, and this can be written as 1. Next question is, find the value of 4 to the power 0 plus 4 to the power minus 1 whole multiplied by 2 to the power 2. Now 4 to the power 0 plus 4 to the power minus 1 whole multiplied by 2 to the power 2. 4 to the power 0 is 1, as we know that a to the power 0 is 1, where a is not equal to 0. 4 to the power minus 1 can be written as 1 by 4 multiplied by 2 to the power 2 is 2 to the 4. Here LCM is 4, 1 4 is 4 and 4 1 is 4, 4 1 is 4, 1 1 is 1, 4 plus 1 is 5 by 4 whole multiplied by 4, 4 4 cancel. 5 is the answer. Second method is 4 to the power 0 plus 4 to the power minus 1 whole multiplied by 2 to the power 2. 4 to the power 0 is 1 plus 1 by 4 whole multiplied by 4. Now apply the distributive property. 1 4 is 4, 1 into 4 plus 1 by 4 multiply 4. 1 4 is 4, I have 4 cancel, 1 will be left. 4 plus 1 is 5. This is the required answer. Next question is, find the value of 6 to the power minus 1 plus 88 to the power minus 1 plus 934 to the power minus 1 whole to the power 0. 6 to the power minus 1 can be written as 1 by 6. 88 to the power minus 1, 1 by 88. And 934 to the power minus 1 is 1 by 934 whole to the power 0. As we know that a to the power 0 is 1, where a is not equal to 0. Here we can easily say that the value is not equal to 0. Therefore, we can directly write this as 1. Whole to the power 0 is 1. This is the required answer. Thank you.